Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with essentials. Verify the machine uses UEFI and that secure boot is enabled so you know what to change. Once done, log into an administrator account and save any open work. Toggling firmware settings can cause reboots. Make sure the PC is plugged in, and if you'll test alternative OS images, have a prepared USB installer ready. Next, restart now and watch for the firmware access key, commonly ESC, F2, F10, F12. Delete so you can enter UEFI setup immediately. Once inside UEFI, move deliberately to the Security, Boot, or Authentication section. Different vendors place Secure Boot in different tabs. Use arrow keys or mouse and locate the Secure Boot control, often a toggle or drop-down labeled Enabled/Disabled or Standard/Custom. If the option is inaccessible, disable Fast Boot and enable Advanced or Expert settings, then reboot back into firmware. Make sure to switch Secure Boot to Disabled. If you see a platform key or PK requirement, choose to clear or reset keys as prompted, because Secure Boot depends on those keys. After toggling Secure Boot off, select Save and Exit so changes persist. The system will reboot and attempt a normal start. Confirm your operating system boots and that drivers and third-party bootloaders load correctly. If you encounter a boot error, power down and re-enter UEFI to re-enable Secure Boot or restore the platform keys you cleared. If that does not fix it, boot from your recovery USB to repair the bootloader or restore backups. A key troubleshooting tip. If hardware refuses to boot unsigned drivers, re-enable Secure Boot or import the vendor key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.